Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make a rug out of almost any fabric so that you can make a rug to match your decor. And we're using X-Fasten neoprene foam and X-Fasten anti-slip tape so it doesn't move around. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a rug. I like using heavy upholstery fabrics for my rugs, and you can often find inexpensive remnants at most fabric retailers. I love using hot glue with fabrics. The glue gets stuck in the fibers of the fabric and creates an incredibly strong bond. During the mid-18th century, floor cloths became popular as an alternative to traditional carpets. They were made of canvas and painted in patterns that mimicked parquet flooring, tile, and marble. X-Fasten makes tape for every need, everything from glow-in-the-dark tape and chalkboard tape to magnetic tape and this awesome anti-slip tape. I have a super hard time finding exciting or interesting rugs for my house, so this technique allows me to make my own in any size and pattern. I'm going to leave a link to X-Fasten and the products that I use in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.